So hey guys, Oppo Find N3 will be the first foldable phone to do this. As we know, foldable phones are becoming more common in the smartphone industry. In recent months, we have seen the release of the next-gen Galaxy Z Fold 5 and Flip 5, as well as the new Motorola Razr Plus and Google Pixel Fold. Soon, we anticipate another major smartphone manufacturer, Oppo, to unveil its next foldable smartphone with some new tech. The Oppo Find N3 is likely to be the fastest charging foldable phone yet. Yup, according to 3C certification website, it is rumored to offer fastest charging than any other foldable smartphone currently available in the market. In fact, it is said to come with the support for an impressive 100-watt fast charging tech. This will make the Oppo Find N3 the fastest charging foldable phone in the market. To put this into perspective, let's compare the Oppo Find N3's charging speed with some other popular smartphones in the market. For instance, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 currently supports 25-watt fast charging, which is significantly lower than the 100-watt fast charging capabilities of the Oppo Find N3. This means that the Oppo Find N3 will be able to charge much faster than the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5, giving users an advantage when it comes to quickly replenishing their battery levels. This one feature makes the Oppo Find N3 ideal for users who are always on the go and need fast charging capabilities. However, the exact charging time cannot be determined yet since the phone's battery capacity has not been disclosed. But previous rumors suggest that the Oppo Find N3 will be equipped with a 4800 mAh battery, but until the official announcement, nothing is certain. Furthermore, the Oppo Find N3's fast charging technology is not only impressive in terms of speed, but it is also designed to be safe and reliable. Oppo has always prioritized the safety of its users, and this is reflected in their advanced charging mechanism implemented in their device. In conclusion, with the super fast 100-watt charging, the Oppo Find N3 makes a significant upgrade from its predecessor, the Oppo Find N2, which supports 67-watt fast charging. Additionally, there are rumors that the Find N3, unlike the Find N2, will also support wireless charging, but we will have to wait for confirmation. So what do you think about this Oppo Find N3? Let me know in the comment section below. With that said, subscribe if you like, and I will see you in the next one.